Classmates, in the last class, we introduced the OSI 7-layer model and the functions of each layer along with examples. Today, we will explain the bottom layer of the OSI model, the physical layer. First, let's review a key concept from the previous class, the physical layer. The physical layer is the bottom layer of the OSI 7-layer model, and is responsible for the transmission of data, providing a reliable environment for communication. We can also say that the physical layer is the foundation of the network. Just like how roads are the foundation for cars to travel. Without roads, cars cannot move. And without the physical layer, there would be no foundation for computer networks. Now, let's proceed to provide a detailed explanation of the physical layer. The physical layer defines the type of transmission medium, the type of connecting cables, and the type of transmission signals. The main physical media include Ethernet, 802.3 protocol, EIA-TIA 232, V35, etc. The primary functions of the physical layer can be summarized as follows. 1. Ensuring the correctness of data bit transmission while providing communication interface definitions, control signals, data transfer rates, interface signal levels, etc. 2. Physical layer management. 3. Establishing, maintaining, and releasing physical connections. Let's take a look at the example diagram, which represents the Ethernet topology based on 802.3. In the diagram, hosts are connected to a hub using Ethernet twisted pair cable 10 busset. Here, 10 represents the transmission rate of 10 Mbps. Base indicates the use of baseband transmission, and T represents twisted pair cable. At the top of the diagram, we have what is called a bus network segment, where data can be transmitted using coaxial cables. Commonly used coaxial cables include 10-base-5 thick coaxial cable and 10-base-2 thin coaxial cable. Next, let's take a look at common physical layer Ethernet interfaces. First and foremost, the most common one is the AJ45 interface. AJ stands for registered jack. Common examples include AJ11 and AJ45. Currently, AJ45 interfaces are widely used for most network connections on the Internet, such as switches, routers, and PC cables. The AJ45 interface integrates 4 pairs of 8-core twisted pair cables. Secondly, we have fiber optic interfaces. In recent years, China's 3 major telecom operators have been promoting fiber to the home projects, and many households have replaced their access cables from copper wires to fiber optics. This significantly improves the speed and stability of network data transmission. Fiber optic interfaces are primarily used as passive components to stably and, but not permanently, connect 2 or more optical fibers. Common connector types include FC fiber connector, round with screw-threaded fiber connector, straight tip card-style round fiber connector, SC subscriber connector, square-shaped fiber connector, LC Lucent connector, narrow rectangular fiber connector, and Mount AJ integrated duplex square fiber connector. Among these, the most commonly used are the street and SC fiber optic connectors. Alright. Based on the previous introduction, we learned about the wired transmission media at the physical layer, mainly consisting of twisted pair cables and fiber optics. So, what are the wireless transmission media? They include 1. Radio waves, 2. Microwaves, 3. Laser, 4. Infrared ray. These are the components of the physical layer's wireless transmission media. The above is the content of our lesson today. Through the study, we have learned about the basic role and functions of the physical layer, as well as the representative transmission media at the physical layer. Now, let's move on. Please complete the following assignments. Essay question 1. What are the main transmission media of the physical layer? Please provide a detailed explanation. All right. That's the end of today's class.